Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the expenses in the Wanderlog application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the person button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then just click on any guide that you created. And then just click on the three dots next to the share button and click on the expense settings button. And as you can see here, you can set the currency, and here you can enable to simplify group depth. So if you want to enable that, just click on the white circle next to it. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.